Making money on Whop involves leveraging its platform for buying and selling digital products, services, or subscriptions. Whop is an online marketplace primarily used for creators, developers, and entrepreneurs to offer various digital goods, including software tools, guides, courses, and exclusive content. Create and sell digital products. You can sell digital products like software tools, templates, ebooks, courses, or subscription-based content. Once you create a product, you can list it on Whop. The platform makes it easy for users to purchase and download your offerings. Set up subscription services. Whop allows creators to set up recurring subscriptions for exclusive access to content, VIP communities, or premium services. Charge a monthly or yearly fee for subscribers to access your premium content or exclusive group. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services on Whop through affiliate programs. When someone purchases via your affiliate link, you earn a commission. Share links for products you believe in and earn a passive income through affiliate commissions. Resell access. You can resell access to premium products or services from other creators on Whop and earn a profit margin.